Seuss, Unveiled. What does it mean? Hey everyone! Today we're diving into the world of internet slang to uncover the meaning of the word Seuss. It's a term you might have come across in games, social media, or casual conversations. Let's decode it together. Seuss is an abbreviation for the word suspicious. Its popularity skyrocketed because of a game called Among Us, where players try to figure out who the imposters are among them. In the game, if someone behaves in a way that seems untrustworthy or unusual, players might call them Seuss, implying they might be the imposter. 1. In the context of games, as mentioned, Seuss gained fame from Among Us. So, when you're playing and you notice someone doing something fishy, you can say, "That was Seuss," or, "I think player's name is Seuss." 2. In everyday conversations, outside of gaming, you might hear it used in casual talks. For instance, if a friend tells a story that doesn't quite add up, you might playfully say, "That sounds Seuss." 3. Be cautious. Remember that slang can be fun, but not everyone might be familiar with its meaning. Moreover, it may not be appropriate in formal situations. Seuss isn't just limited to gaming. You'll find references in 1. Music. Some artists have used the term in their lyrics, highlighting its popularity. 2. Memes. Memes and jokes often play on the word Seuss, especially in contexts that playfully suggest something is off or untrustworthy. And there you have it. The next time someone mentions Seuss, you'll know exactly what they're talking about. Whether it's in a game or a chat with friends, this little term packs a punch. We hope you found this explainer helpful. Stay curious, and happy learning!